An Ode to First Robotics by Team 1189, the Gearheads. Ode to First Robotics, the competition that inspires all. Spreading STEM and opportunity to people big or small. But it's more than robots for us on Team 1189. It's an exciting challenge, an experience to learn with minds combined. Annually we're handed obstacles. How we handle it is daring. Though many questions strike us, we handle them by caring. Our creative minds pour out ideas that advance us forth. Because ye should never be scared to say an idea that brings ye morth. Because that idea is a key, creative and bold. It can unlock the solution and wonders can unfold. How can we create a robot to fit our strategy today? Let's brainstorm now and our solution will give way. First obstacles keep us dancing on our toes. For every new challenge, you never know where it goes. How will we promote STEM? Our minds will churn. Walking in local parades might help the townsfolk learn. Or teach members safety in a way that's fun and memorable. Perhaps we create safety comics so the lessons aren't ephemeral. We explode with creativity, even if it's the path least walked. For often that path will leave heroes shocked. And so on and henceforth, our problems are solved away, and the journey of first progresses each day. Yet, as we toil and labor, we never forget the true spirit of first that yields our mindset. The spirit that us gearheads rely on the most. The spirit of gracious professionalism and the sense of being close. For what we love about first is not just STEM, but the opportunity we get to make a true friend. For no matter your team, your gender, your race, in the end we're all gearheads, and we're all in first place.